Good morning. I received this machine from Miami and we are installing this press. It's a 6 color press, flexo, and basically we already have one of those here in the plant, and right now we're trying to install right next to the other one, and we're almost done. It's not taking a long time. So basically, we almost finishing with the electrical and the hooking up the hoses, the printing pump. Me just gonna make sure that everything's communicating right with your PLC. Um, it's not bad. It's not bad. It's taking a little time. That's it. Plus, the weather here in New York is it's really cold, and everything hurts, man. When you get to the age, you know, over 60, your body start hurting, so you work slower. But the press is coming out good. It's coming out good. So, maybe around 3 more weeks, we be testing the machine and we see how it goes, and we just gotta troubleshoot, debug it, and put some paper, and hopefully I can make a video of the machine operation. We already have one of them here, uh, in the other side of the machine, and basically what we do, we just print some product lottery ticket, and the other one's gonna basically gonna do the same thing of this one's doing. As you can see, we have some. It's like a copycat from the other one, so that's a good thing because we can interchange parts from this one to the other one in case we need to. Yeah, just the only difference from this one from the other one is the ink chambers, and but it's the same master roll on the back, same unwind. So you can see we got the same size rolls in the back here, and that's it. And we see how it goes. Like how it is. Every time you install a new press, something's gonna happen. It's like when you do PM on the machine. Every time you do PM on the machine, something doesn't work right. I don't know. I don't know why. Even you install it right, you go by the book, it doesn't work. So, and this is the dryers right here. There's our dryers, and then we have the vent, new vent installed. That's for the fume on the ink. Basically, I mean, it's only ink, water-based ink, and it doesn't have a smell on it, but that's the way they design it. And this is the pumps unit. Um, we installed new hoses to the chambers, and she's analogs rollers. So we decided to install new hoses. That way it's nice and clean. There's no mistake. This is the pumps inside the ink unit. This machine is made by RG Engineering. They don't make them anymore. Brand new. So this is like an obsolete model, but there's some machines out there. I don't think they make them anymore. But if you find one, it's gonna be out there someplace. So okay, see you guys later. Bye.